How to install Windows XP Pro. When you get a message to press any key to boot, from CD press any key. After a brief delay, the typical Microsoft Blue installation screen is displayed, with the Windows Setup display at the top of the bottom of the screen the information. The setup is loading files. It will finally state setup is starting Windows and will display after a short delay the Windows XP Professional Setup or Windows XP Home Setup. The Windows XP licensing agreement is displayed. Setup will now display at the partitioning of your disk. The next screen is asking for the type of disk formatting to be used. It is advisable to partition your hard drive into three separate entities. The first one would be for the operating system, the second would be for the application and program, and the last partition will be for backup. Setup will start formatting the disk and will then start copying files from the CD-ROM to the disk. The system will then reboot. After the restart, Windows XP start the first time with the graphical user interface. Setup will continue to copy files and install devices. You can adjust regional setting. Personalize your system by entering your name and organization. Enter your 25-character product key. Define the name for your computer and the password for the administrator account. Based on organization, setup creates a name for computer with complex name. If you enter a password for the administrator account, make sure that you remember it. Checking the date and time settings. If you have a network card in your system, which was detected by setup, you will be asked to select whether to install a typical configuration. Or if you like to make already a special setting like defining your IP address. At this point, setup continues with finalizing installation. The system will reboot again. Setup will configure then your screen resolution. If only one user was defined during setup and no password was defined, the system will skip the welcome screen and continue to display immediately the new Windows XP desktop. You are now ready to use the colorful Windows XP. You can adjust the system to look and work more.